Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. In this evening session, I welcome to you all of from the bottom of my heart. It is being observed that HR professional will face a different kind of challenge now onwards in the recruitment. Till today, challenge was to recognize and find out right person for right job. If he is having exposure to the position which is called for, then most probably he was the part of winning team. I mean to say, he was getting selected. Documentation and medical certificate that you are fit to work, these were only few challenges. But after corona, or let us say during this corona, because we don't know what is the fate of corona and what is our fate, and vice versa. If you see, media is saying that today Delhi medical minister, Swasthya Mantri, he says that corona will be 2-3 years more and we have to have the practice to live with the corona. Some media from some province, they are saying that corona will be our lifestyle and we need to understand and we have to tactfully design our lifestyle to live with the corona. Here in this video I am talking about that challenges will be faced by HR professional to see what is really required to see in a candidate. Very first thing, you were affected by corona or not. A self-declaration will be there and inquiries also will be put up. Maybe from your society, you may be asked to bring a certificate that you were not affected. Maybe from the municipal corporation, you may be required to produce a certificate that you were not affected by corona. If you are affected by corona, then what is the status now? Can corona, is there period of corona to revert back, as it is happening that once the corona is treated well, then it is after few time it is coming back and attacking to the person. So you should be free from corona's impact and you should not carry any possibility of corona, then you may be a right candidate. After your selection, chances are there that again corona may attack you. Then what to do and who should be blamed and how one should tackle this situation? Then it is not the fault of anyone, neither of you nor of HR professional, but immediately you will be put to the isolation or quarantine, whatever is applicable, and then again HR person has to go and seek the person who may be your substitute. You will be out of the organization, you will be under treatment, and now it is the different fate that how fast you will be treated and how you are going to come back, how fast you are going to come back, you are going to come back or not going to come back. All these reasons, and again there is possibility that due to you corona will spread in the organization or not. So all these things will be a very big challenge to the HR people to keep eyes on the existing staff and new people being recruited, and ensure that in each circumstances there is the corona virus free atmosphere due to having good practices as being guided time to time by ICMR, WHO, ministers, governments and local agencies. You have to practice even after good recruitment. All recruitment not having corona, they are the free from, they are working, they are the trustworthy, but you have to go for the sanitization. You have to ensure people are putting mask, you are ensuring that people are washing their hands on and often, and any kind of the problem people are not carrying in the organization. They have to express their willingness to beat the corona, treat the corona by self, and thus they will become the part of the team and they will be playing a good role. So you have to choose this kind of the people who are self-aware about the corona virus, its impact, its profit and loss, how it will damage to not to individual but to the total people. So they should be well aware. Rather, I will say, may not be possible or possible, but I will say that all of us should pass through a training session before even qualifying the interview, before he is being put on the board. He should go 1 or 2 day corona training program by eminent personalities. So when they are coming, they starts behaving from the first, from the minute first, and instead of becoming the destroying team, they are becoming the good and active person, and from the moment first they are behaving as a warrior to corona. Because it becomes, it's very easy to say that HR challenges, it will be HR challenges and HR has to overcome. But think at the end of the day, HR is also human being. He can be a process owner, but he cannot become the each process which you have to percolate down in your real life, in your professional life, in your life when you are on job. Of course, role of HR, process owner is HR. They have to bring the result. But how? It is not very big deal that what to do, what not to do. It is not HR that he will come and put the mask every time to you. It is not HR that he will come and he will say that apply the soap each hour. It is not HR that they will come and he will say that make the organization insect free. But they will initiate. Leadership is in the hand of the HR to get the environment free, but it is each individual to make it success. I feel message is crystal clear, and all of us are individual leader, and we have to perfectly do all this work so that we can keep our surroundings free from the virus of the COVID-19 and have the happy health, sound health, better health, cheerful health. Have a smile on your face. थैंक यू वेरी मच। नमस्कार।